Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some incoming mail. And I have two packages. I have a tag flip and I have an embellishment box and a pocket letter. This is all together in one package. Excuse me. And this is another package. So I'm going to sit down for this one and share with you guys what I got. So I know that I stay in frame. Let's sit down and go through this package. Now this package is from my friend Becky. Me and Becky have been pen pals for quite some time right now, and she sent me a embellishment box, and it was such a surprise because I didn't think she would send me, and it's her first one, so I feel so special because she never made one before and she made the first one for me. I love this yarn that she used, the yellow and the pink, because I will be saving it. So we are going to cut it right here, and I'm going to be saving the rest. I'll show the pocket letter next because I'm excited to dig in to this. How many times am I going to hit that into this bad boy? Look at these colors. I love it. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, you ever seen those things when you open the box and you're like, oh? I know. Don't mind me. Ooh, she made me a little mix of sequins. Shaky. She used white and gold crinkle paper. Ooh, some cute little washies that I do not own. She sent me some mini pom-poms. You guys know I love me some pom-poms. She sent me a little pack of mini pom-poms. I'll take them out of here and stick them in my little bloom. And there's a little, like a push pin. A little, yeah, it's like a pin. It says laugh out loud. So cute. Ooh, I see some tassels in here. And then we have Be Amazing. These little charms. Oh, this is cute. Oh, these are the ones from Target. The stickers from the Spritz little box. Look how cute. Whoops. Look how cute. I love that bunny. Ooh. Those stickers are a really good deal, but I never find them. So I always get them sent to me. She sent me some mini tags. Look at these cute little clips in mint and in peach. You guys, Becky knows me. These little silver and gold tags. Oh my god, this is such a good idea. Look, you guys, she put in here one of these little cups, like where you put the ketchup, and that's where she put her clips. You see, she's brilliant. That's such a good idea. I never even thought of that. And we got a bunch of clips here. So we got a carrot, a bow, a cloud, a little, what is it, an arrow, the gold clip. Is that an L? Oh my god. A little musical note, this purple and blue one, and then this other like circular gold one, and another little purple arrow. So many clips. Ooh, look. She sent me a bunch of her flares. I have so many of her flares. I made a page on my December daily dedicated to all Becky's flares. Because yes, I don't like to share them. I just save them. How cute. Well, I have shared some in the past, but I like to hoard her flares. They're so cute and special to me. Look at these flares, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? Look at those colors. I love them. They're so springy. And then she sent me a little ring filled with twine. Oh my god, Becky, you did so good. I don't know if you're watching my videos, but if you are, you did such a good job. You're like a pro at this. I love my pom-poms. This came out so good, and I love this idea that you did with the clips. I might have to crafty steal that idea. That is so cute. Now I'm going to be like at McDonald's, like stealing these cups. That's not nice. Look at this cute little trim with the stars. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love the way she put it together. It's so cute. Oh, wait. I skipped a pocket. Do you guys ever watch a video and like they're showing something and you see that they forget something and you're like through the screen like there's something else. There's something else. But it's just like, you know, they can't hear you. That could have been a moment right now that we had where you guys would have been like, you missed the pocket. She sent me a bunch of the ephemera of the Fine and Dandy ephemera pack. Look how cute. Do you guys remember this collection? It's so beautiful. The colors are so cute. Thank you so much, Becky. You know I love me some ephemera. And this, I think, is from the Amy Tangerine inflatable ephemera, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is. But it's a cute little flamingo, and it's squishy. But yeah, you guys, that's the little embellishment box that she made me. She decorated it on the outside. It's a little wooden thing here, and it says, "Oh, happy day." This doesn't belong here. Oh, there must have been a heart or something there that fell off. But it says, "You make my heart smile." She put another flare here. I love it. Do you guys take apart your embellishment boxes when you get them? Because I've gotten like 3 or 4. And I don't take them apart. They literally are still filled with all the goodies. And I have them displayed in my Roscog cart. But tell me what you guys do if you get embellishment boxes. And then she sent me a pocket letter. And you guys, look how cute. It's got this cute little camera, a piece of ephemera on the charm. A little tassel. This little charm that says, "Maker's Gonna Make." How cute. I will be taking this off and putting it on my keys. She sent me some little bow gems. I don't have that. I love those. So cute. Look at the way she decorated, you guys. She sent me this cute little bow clip up here. And then she did the little shaker pockets. It says "Live Colorfully." A little chicky clip. Some more little pieces of ephemera in a pocket. And then she has a little clip right here. The balloon that says, "Hi, Lily." I love that. 2 more flares right here. Pretty things inside. Better than a text. You guys, this pocket letter is a beaut. I cannot wait to put it in my book. I have so many pocket letters from when I started crafting, you guys. It's amazing. And this is a cute little letter that she sent me, but that is for me. So that is everything my dear Becky sent me. She's such a sweetie pie, and I love getting her mail when it's like a surprise, when you're not expecting it, because Becky's mail is always amazing. So it's like as soon as I see her name on the envelope, I'm like, oh my God, stop talking to me. I need to open this. And I'm telling you, I feel like that every time she sends me a package. It's crazy. I love me some Becky. And now we have this cutie, which I didn't expect. And Tiffany, I met her on here on my channel. She liked she liked my crepe paper and the peach one. And I sent it to her because if you reach out to me and it's like, oh, I can't find this, like, why not? I was like, just give me your email, your address, and I'll send you a pack, you know, because I know that the peach and the mint are hard to find. So that's no problem. But in a way of saying thank you, she made me a tag flip, you guys. You see, this is why I say you guys are amazing. You guys make my day all the time. So she sent me a cute little sweet card. She sent me some samples of this crepe paper, which I don't have. So I will be making a rosette out of this. And she made me a tag flip. And this is her first one. And she did so good. Look at this little vintage girl. It says hello there. And then we have this little ice cream right here. With like a little sticker. The polka dots. I love the colors that she chose. And then there's like a little bag here. It says you're the best. Let's see what we have in here. I don't want to ruin anything. Oh, we got some stickers. Like a Boss #1, a phone, and the ampersand. Oh, I like this tag. It says, remember that one time, be happy. Look at this one. This is cute. Another little sticker pack. It was written in the stars, and she put some cute little acrylic stars on the bottom. Oh, I like this little rose gold. Here's another tag. It says awesome. She put a little frame. It says made with love. This cute little tag that she embellished. I like that it says proof we are friends. So cute. Look at that. And this is like a little baggie. Like a little flip. She got some sequins in here. This cute little clip. And this tag. And there's stuff inside, but I'll check that later on. I don't want to take it apart right now. She sent me a washi sample. And you guys, look, she sent me mint colored gems. I don't have this. Where'd you find these, girl? They're so cute. I love them. I love the fact that they're like a matte mint. It's not like a shiny. These are so cute. And look at this little tag with the little crepe paper and the flamingo. And then she sent me a pack of flamingo clips. Isn't that sweet? Like, you didn't have to do that, girlie, but I totally appreciate it. And look at all the trim she used. Super cute. I have a basket. When I take these apart, I have a little basket that I put them all in. And I save them when I use them in different Happy Mails. But yeah, you guys, that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.